Okay, so now let's look at question 3. So on number 3, I have p of x equals negative 1/2 x minus 1 squared plus 4. All right, the first question is still our vertex. Do h comma k. All right, we look at what's in h's spot and we look at what's in k's spot. And remember that h is our hypocrite. All right, so my vertex, instead of having negative 1, since h is a hypocrite, it's going to be positive 1, comma, 4. My axis of symmetry is just x equals what the x value of my vertex is, so 1. And then I look at the front of my equation to see if it opens up or down. So this one has a negative, which tells me it's going to open down. All right, let's sketch a graph of this one. I want to put a point at about where I think 1, 4 is. We'll go over 1 up 4. Let's say it's right up here. It says it's opening down, so I'm going to sketch my graph to kind of open down. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. But now we want to check it in Desmos to make sure that we're on the right track. So if I go to Desmos, I'm going to type in that problem. I have f of x equals negative 1/2 parentheses x minus 1 squared plus 4. All right, and here's my graph. Okay, I'm going to type in my vertex, 1, 4. We're going to check to make sure we're right. All right, notice it put a point at our vertex. So that's right. And then we want to look at our axis of symmetry. We said was x equals 1. There's a line straight down the middle of my graph. So that's correct as well. And then the graph is down like we said it would be on our paper.